So today I'm going to show you guys how to repair the CTC. 3 tools you will need are a pry tool, a tool where you can grab the wire and you can solder it back together to the CTC, and a stand to hold the CTC. So what you first do, got to open this CTC cover up like so. Just gently, try not to break anything, so you can reuse the parts. Takes a little while. There you go. And it'll just pop off like that. You will see this tab and that tab. What you do, take the razor blade, go ahead and cut those tabs off. Take any corner and just pry it open slowly without breaking anything. Take off this cover so you can use it on the next one. You hook it up to the stand. You unsolder all these 5 points. There you go, it comes off like that. To put it back on, hook it back to there. Just solder it back on. Go ahead, try to use the tool so you don't burn yourself. What you do is you go ahead and put that CTC back in so it clicks and locks in like that. Just grab the cover, make sure the positive is pointing up towards the left earbud. Take some glue, put little dabs on each corner where the CTC is located. Go ahead, lay that back nice. It's supposed to be nice and flush, as you can tell. That is how you replace a CTC on a PowerBeats 2 wireless. Thank you.